Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I'm so excited today. If it's your first time finding the channel, hi, I'm Karen. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some pin unboxings. Yeah, I've got 6 boxes of the food and wine pins, so let's see if I can get a full set. You never know, a miracle might happen. Hit it, maestro! There's actually more chance of me winning the lottery than getting a full set with 6 boxes. What do you think? Oh, and I try the lottery. I do. I try it 4 times a week, but someone's got to win, haven't they? That's what I think. Someone's got to win. Anyway, so I've got 6 boxes and there's 11 pins. And I've had these from opening day and I can't believe I'm only just opening them. I mean, that's a bit daft, isn't it, really? So these are all the pins on the back. If you haven't seen them, I'm sure you have. So you've got Donald, you've got Duffy, Minnie, Grumpy, Pooh Bear, Chip and Dale, you've got Jiminy Cricket, you've got Lumiere, Mickey, Stitch, and Goofy, and they all represent a country. So, should we just get on with it? It's been a long time since I've got to throw a box, isn't it? Throw a box, you say, if you only just found the channel. Yeah, we don't do anything by halves in this house. Right, so little black baggy bag. So, let's see. Oh, now, is this is Mexico, isn't it? It's Donald eating his tacos. And it looks like prawns to me in the tacos. I've never had a prawn taco. So yeah, so you've got Donald there. So these are really nice sized pins, aren't they? And what's it say on the back? It's got Epcot International Food and Wine Festival limited release. So there you go, on the back of the pin, that's what it says. So that's the first one. So I'll put it there. So, bag number 2. Oh, we've got Stitch and his Japan. And that looks like salmon to me. Is it salmon teriyaki? But it's definitely Japan. Looks like a piece of salmon, doesn't it? The way it's cut at the front with the silver skin on it. Isn't that beautiful? Really beautiful pin. So 2 down, 9 to go. 9 to go. Right, so that's there. Right, okay. New box. Have you opened these pins? I love a good mystery. The mystery is finding the boxes after I've thrown them across the floor. I don't know. Right, what have we got here? The curse. The curse has hit me. So I've got a duplicate Donald. Oh my word. So shall we bet that this is a Stitch? No. Okay, so it's Canada and it's Chip and Dale, and they've definitely got, is it the cheese soup with the baguette? That looks like to me. So you got Chip and Dale, the Canada with the maple leaf behind, and the roll, that looks like cheese, the cheese soup, or maybe it's cheese poutine. But you wouldn't have bread with cheese poutine, would you? Well, you might, but it's not normal that they serve it with bread. Right, 3. Okay. It's a nerve-wracking box. Throw. Brings me good luck. He's sending me the vibes. We're getting the vibes, the good luck vibes. We need the good luck vibes, don't we? Right, so next box. Oh, we're going here. We've got America and we have got Mickey, and he's definitely having a lobster roll. That's most definitely a lobster roll with a flag. Oh, I like that one. I really like that one. I like that with the flag behind his head. That's really nice. Okay, so that's 4. Right, okay. This is a halfway mark now. Whoops. And we have got Lumiere, we've got France, and what is he eating? That looks a bit like a croissant to me with some greenery on it. Is it a cheese croissant? I don't know. But that's Francis Lumiere. It does look like a croissant, doesn't it? Most definitely. So that's that one. So halfway mark, and we so far have got one double. Right, so there's 11 pins in this set. I have got 3 boxes left. I'm not going to say a thing because it is possible. If I actually get them, you know, I'm going to go straight out with these cocoa ears on my head. I'm going to buy a lottery ticket. Imagine if I go in the shops like this, I turn up in Asda, which is like Walmart, looking like this, with my Hocus Pocus jersey on and my, yeah. And we don't have to worry because we just got a stitch. So we've got a duplicate stitch. Oh dear me. The good old days when Disney mixed up the pin boxes. The good old days. But I've got another one I haven't got, and this is China, and this looks like, is it dim sum with Minnie? So, imagine if I'm just one short of this set now. Oh, I don't know. Right, 2 boxes left. 5 pins to get. Probability, none. Oh dear me. It was going so well. It's going even better now because this is Germany and it's a pretzel and it's grumpy. Oh, the sun's just come out. The sun's just come out outside. So there's Germany and grumpy. These are really nice big, really lovely size big pins these are. And the sun's going back in again. It's 3 o'clock here. You'd think that the weather would be quite stable, wouldn't you? But no. And we got another duplicate. We have another Lumiere. Mon chéri. Oh la la la. Last box, and we've got 7, so we need 4, and there's two in this box. So if it goes over my little stair gate that I've got there separating it so that the little puppies can't come in here, because they're in here with all these bags. I've been running after them all the time. It'd be a nightmare. Right, oh, but we've got another one. We've got Jiminy Cricket, and he is eating funny coloured pasta with what looks like meatballs in Italy. So that's a really nice pin. You don't get that many Jiminy Crickets, do you? So that's a really nice one. And then the last one. Can we get 9? Yes, we can. And this is really poignant because... Oh, and who's representing? Is it Norway? Is Duffy representing Norway? I think he is, and I think that's school buns. So I don't know why Duffy is representing Norway. I think he is. I think that's school bread, isn't it? Not buns, school bread. Can you believe that? I got 9 out of 11. Oh my word, can you believe it? So let's have a look. On my wonderful pin boards that Gray and Crafters made for me, I'll put the details down below. And they're fabulous, look. This is a little special one that they gifted me, so I can do this with my pins and it goes, look, it goes straight into focus. Love it. So these are the 9 I got. So which ones did we not get? Oh, I'll just go and rescue a box off the floor. So, which ones did we not get? Oh, there we go. We didn't get, we didn't get Pooh Bear from England. And we didn't get Goofy, and he looks like he's from Morocco, I think. So Goofy and Pooh Bear are the 2 I didn't get. But I hope you enjoyed that. It's been a long time since I did a pin unboxing. Yeah, I've got loads more pins to unbox. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then you'll know when I upload a new video. And it's entirely up to yourself if you watch it or not, but at least you know. So you won't miss something that you do want to watch. But thanks so much everyone. The sun's coming in and out and in and out. Lights on, lights off. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now everyone, bye.